Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to today's announcements. So today is Thursday, October 8th. It's our fourth day of distance learning, our first week. Next week, our hope is that we wrap this up really strong and come back and see you in a new hybrid schedule. I'll be sending out messaging about that soon. Today, students, are your even period classes, periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. You can see from this schedule that your period 2 will start at 9 a.m., 4 will start at 10:25, period 6 will start at 12:15, and period 8 starts at 1:40. If you have an A or B day class, your A day class during those even periods would meet the first 30 minutes. Your B day class would meet the last 30 minutes of those periods. It's a period 4 day today, so 6th graders, you do have advisory. Please check into advisory. Make sure we have a good, strong learning day today. If you have any questions or, technology issues, call 446-1450. 446-1450, that's the help desk phone number. Or Gmail your teachers if you have any questions. Contact them directly. A quick quote of inspiration, I hope. This from Dr. Seuss, Ted Geisel. He said, "To the world you may be one person, but to one person you may be the world." So Wildcats, you're put on this earth to really serve others, to add value to your home, to your family, to your community, to your school. So Wildcats today, add value by letting your light shine, by being respectful, responsible, and the best students you can be today. Have a great day, everyone.